Ancestry offers filters to help you evaluate your DNA matches. The filters are, well, some of them are integrated in each match. Mother's side is a filter, and if it doesn't say mother's side, I know it's father's side in my case. Common ancestor is another filter that you'll see down here in matches. But at the top, it says filter by. These are your filters. So if you select any one of these filters, and you can select them in conjunction with each other. So for example, if you wanted to do shared DNA, you can select only close matches. So this is going, and you have to apply it, that filter. And this is only showing you close matches. And say you want to see unviewed, so more recently added to the database, and you're adding that to it. And so now I'm seeing DNA matches that have been added more recently that are closer matches. And you can see there's quite a few, and they all seem to be related to my mother. Now, if I want to look at something else, I need to reset my filters, and that's always here. If I want to look at common ancestors, I can do that as a filter. And in my case, I'm going to have to scroll a ways to get past people I know. But as I get down, you can keep going to very distant matches. And where I'm saying I'm only sharing, you can see here 21 centimorgans, but they've found a common ancestor. And actually, I've made a note about who it is. This is Seamus Haggerty. This is my mother's Bush line. This is the Whitakers, the Hodges. And so way down here in small amounts of DNA, Ancestry has found these filters for you. So let me reset this filter. Notes. It doesn't let you search the notes or filter the notes by keywords, but you can see which matches you have notes for. People you've messaged, which is great because sometimes you forget who you've messaged. People who have private trees, public trees, unlinked trees. All of these filters are great. And here is, oh, and groups. I should have mentioned groups. This is very popular. And you can see your groups. You can see how many people are in your groups. So I've got Brown Mon group for 13 people. The Fadden group has 5 people. So if I click Brown Mon and apply it, these are the people I've assigned to this group. And they share DNA with me and with each other. And they are a group in the Haggertys somehow, which is still to be determined. So let me reset that filter. And the other thing I want to show you here is the searching feature. Sort is not as useful. It's just close or by date. But searching allows you to search by a match's name. This is very helpful if you're looking at a match, say, over MyHeritage, and you want to see if they're over here at Ancestry, or at they're in Family Tree DNA. So you can search by a match name, or you can search by a surname in someone's tree, or a birth location in someone's tree. So, for example, in my case, I'll search, just to show you, say, Scranton, Lackawanna, Pennsylvania. That's very specific. I could have just said Pennsylvania or just Lackawanna County, but I'm very specific, and I'm going to search my matches to see if this is a birth location in anybody's tree. And in my case, it's a birth location in many people's trees. You can see as I scroll down, all of these people have ancestors who were born in Scranton. And on we go. And so this is a very quick look at these filters and search features, but very useful. Always use these when you're trying to find matches.